In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube in n8n. This process will guide you through setting up your n8n workflow to utilize YouTube functionalities by harnessing the power of Google Cloud services. Our aim here is to integrate YouTube into your automation routines seamlessly. Let's begin by creating a new workflow in your n8n environment. If you're already working on an existing workflow, that's perfectly fine. Simply open it in your instance. Our next move is to introduce a YouTube node to this workflow. This node will enable you to perform various actions, such as creating a playlist or uploading a video. Choose the action that suits your needs. When it's time to provide credentials for your YouTube node, click to create a new set. This is where Google Cloud comes into play. Head over to the Google Cloud console. You can either create a new project or select one that's already set up. Once you've accessed your project, you'll need to enable the YouTube Data API. This is crucial for fetching and interacting with your YouTube data. Next, it's time to prepare your OAuth consent screen. This involves giving your application a name, which serves as part of the identity that users see when they authorize your app. Following this, create an OAuth 2.0 client ID. Ensure you select Web Application as the type here. You will also need to add an authorized redirect URL to your Google Cloud settings. The n8n platform provides this URL for you, so be sure to have it handy and input it as required. Once this setup is complete, you can obtain your client ID and client secret. These are pivotal in linking n8n with your Google account. Carefully copy the client ID and client secret from the Google Cloud console. Switching back to n8n, locate the credentials window and paste your client ID and client secret into their respective fields. Before you can fully establish the connection, there's one more step: granting permissions. In the Google Cloud console, add the email address associated with your n8n account as a test user. This allows the environment to mirror a real user's interaction. Sign in using your Google account and ensure you grant all the necessary permissions as requested by n8n. After this step is complete, your YouTube connection within n8n should be successful. A visual confirmation occurs when you're redirected back to n8n. This signifies that your Google account is signed in and the permissions were granted correctly. Congratulations! You've now integrated YouTube into your n8n workflows. From here, you can continue to build and refine automations that help you leverage YouTube's extensive data and features right within your automated routines. Thank you for watching and happy automating with n8n.